Imagine plunging into a lake, not on Earth, but on Titan, Saturn's largest moon. What would happen if you swam in Titan's lakes for just 5 seconds? Welcome to the alien landscapes of Titan, a moon that offers a chilling and intriguing spectacle. Its lakes aren't filled with water like ours. Instead, they brim with liquid methane and ethane. It's a world where the rain is not water, but droplets of hydrocarbons. Imagine a place where the environment is so cold that these gases turn into a liquid state, forming vast seas and lakes. Bizarre, isn't it? Titan, with its ethane and methane lakes, is more than just a moon. It's a window into what the early Earth might have been like, and possibly a cradle for a new form of life. It's a tantalizing prospect that stirs the imagination, making us question what we know about life's necessities. So, what if you decided to take a quick dip in one of these alien lakes? Picture it, the thrill of the unknown, the chill of the liquid methane against your skin. Hold on to your space helmets as we dive deep into the alien lakes of Titan. Titan, a world far from our home, a world with lakes and seas not of water, but of methane and ethane. Welcome to Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, a celestial body that has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This distant moon, located nearly 1 billion miles away from our home planet, is a world of extremes. Unlike any other place in our solar system, it boasts an atmosphere denser than that of Mars, and a landscape so diverse and surreal, it could very well be a scene from a science fiction novel. Imagine, if you will, a world where the sky rains down droplets of methane, feeding into vast lakes and seas. Yes, you heard it right. Titan is a world where water exists in a solid form, as rocks and mountains, and methane and ethane take on the roles that water plays on Earth. It's a world where the lakes and seas are filled not with water, but with liquid hydrocarbons. Here, the surface temperature averages a chilling -290 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze methane, a gas we are familiar with on Earth, into a liquid state. It's a frigid alien world, yet eerily similar to our own in so many ways. The presence of these methane and ethane bodies of liquid make Titan the only other place in our solar system besides Earth that has stable liquids on its surface. But how does this world differ from our own? Well, for starters, the gravity on Titan is only about 1/7 that of Earth. This means that if you were to visit Titan, you would weigh significantly less than you do on our home planet. Furthermore, the atmospheric pressure on Titan is about 1.5 times that of Earth. This means that, although you would be lighter, you would also feel a greater weight pressing down on you from all sides. In this strange cold world, what would happen if you took a quick dip in one of its alien lakes? Imagine, just for a moment, you decided to take a quick 5-second swim in one of Titan's lakes. Now, that's a chilling thought, isn't it? But let's dive right in, shall we? This isn't your typical summer dip. No, not at all. This is a plunge into the unknown, a dive into a lake of liquid methane and ethane, a world away from the familiar waters of Earth. You see, Titan is a frigid outpost with temperatures plummeting to a staggering -290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about as cold as it gets in our solar system, barring the outer reaches. So, the moment you hit those icy waters, you'd feel a cold unlike anything you've ever experienced. But it's not just the cold you'd have to worry about. Titan's low gravity, just about 1/7 that of Earth's, would make movement in the water a rather peculiar experience. You wouldn't sink like a stone, as you might expect. Instead, you'd bob around, almost weightless, like a cork on the ocean. It's a strange sensation, to be sure, but rather fascinating, don't you think? However, the real trouble begins when you try to get out. The low gravity, coupled with the extreme cold, would make your muscles sluggish and weak. Your body, shocked by the sudden temperature drop, would struggle to function. You'd find it incredibly difficult to climb out of the icy abyss, your limbs heavy and slow. Remember, this is a world where the very air is a chilly cocktail of nitrogen and methane. Even a deep breath would freeze your lungs from the inside out. The cold would seep into your bones, the icy grip of Titan's lakes refusing to let go. And so within seconds, your body would begin to shut down, the cold and the low gravity conspiring against you. It's a grim scenario to be sure, but it's a stark reminder of how inhospitable the outer reaches of our solar system can be. But that's just the start of your troubles. Surviving on Titan, even for a moment, is a challenge beyond any earthly comparison. Imagine standing on the shores of a methane lake, gazing at a landscape where the air is not breathable, and the chill in the atmosphere is enough to freeze you instantly. This is Titan, Saturn's largest moon, a world so alien that it forces us to stretch our understanding of what survival means. It's not just the lakes that are hazardous, it's the very air, or lack thereof, that makes this moon so inhospitable. The atmosphere of Titan is composed primarily of nitrogen, with traces of other hydrocarbons and negligible amounts of oxygen. If you took a deep breath there, you would suffocate almost instantly. But let's say you've got a spacesuit on and you've somehow managed to survive the inhospitable air. The next challenge is the temperature. Titan's average surface temperature hovers around negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Even with the most advanced insulation technology we have, you'd freeze in minutes, if not seconds. And the lakes? They're not filled with water, but with liquid methane and ethane. If you took a dip, the extreme cold would flash freeze your suit and body, turning you into a human popsicle in no time. And yet, despite these extreme conditions, life as we know it might not be completely impossible on Titan. Some scientists theorize that life could evolve to survive in these harsh conditions, using methane in the same way that life on Earth uses water. Yet despite these challenges, Titan continues to fascinate us. It's a world that defies our understanding of life and survival, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system and a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Despite its hostile environment, Titan captivates us, offering a glimpse into a truly alien world. This distant moon, the largest of Saturn, is a source of unending fascination for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It's not just the icy lakes that draw our attention, but the tantalizing possibility of life. A life different from what we know, yet life nonetheless. Titan is a world where the rain is methane, the mountains are ice, and the lakes are a chilling cocktail of hydrocarbons. Yet, in this seemingly hostile landscape, we see the potential for a new kind of biology, one that thrives on methane instead of water. The lakes of Titan, with their rich organic chemistry, may hold the key to understanding how life can exist in the most extreme conditions. But Titan's allure extends beyond the search for extraterrestrial life. It's a natural laboratory, a place where we can study geological processes that are similar to Earth's, but with a twist. The methane cycle on Titan, akin to the water cycle on Earth, provides valuable insights into our own planet's climate and the role of liquid in shaping a world's terrain. And then there's the future of space exploration. With its thick atmosphere and low gravity, Titan could serve as a stepping stone for further journeys into the outer solar system. It's a place where we could test new technologies, learn to live off the land, and push the boundaries of human exploration. In the grand scheme of space exploration, Titan's lakes are more than just a curiosity. They are a window into a world that's both alien and familiar, a world that could teach us about the origins of life, the workings of our own planet, and the possibilities of human exploration. So, while a swim in Titan's lakes may be a deadly plunge, the secrets they hold could unlock new understandings of our universe. Swimming in Titan's lakes, a seemingly simple act on Earth, becomes a dramatic, life-threatening event on this distant moon. As we've journeyed together through the icy depths of these alien waters, we've encountered a world that is both fascinating and deadly. The frigid temperatures, the ethane and methane lakes, and the lack of oxygen all combine to create an environment that tests the very limits of human endurance and imagination. Yet, in its stark otherness, Titan also holds a mirror to our own world. reminding us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life as we know it. The possibility of organisms thriving in such extreme conditions broadens our understanding of existence and stirs our curiosity to explore further. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Titan's lakes are but a single thread, a small glimpse into the vast, unknown expanse that awaits our discovery. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are reminded that even the most mundane activities on Earth can become dramatic events in the alien landscapes of our solar system.